bilisan niyo, Carly, baka Thank you po.
Nag-asyo po ba tayo? Sige. Ano, saan po po? Ay, ganyan to support na po kita mamaya. And if you guys are ready, more than ready, we are so as well. And we are more than thankful for you guys in celebrating your Christmas here with us and reconnecting with us. Are you guys ready to reconnect with one another?
Maraming pong salamat sa pagmamahal.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pag-spend.
Of course, Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat and thank you so much for watching Reconnect at sana ma-feel nyo yung Christmas spirit and I feel like after watching Reconnect, iiyak ko talaga kayo and I feel like you will love your family and hug your family even more. So ayun, please enjoy Reconnect and again, maraming salamat po. It means a lot to us. Next, Maggie.
Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat!
Enjoy niyo po ang reconnect.
Enjoy niyo po ang sabihin niyo sa mga kaibigan.
Pero dahan-dahan lang po kayo si Mother, pakilalayan na lang po. Again, this is a regular Christmas to each and every official. Ito po yung for you guys.
Okay, picture po, ready? Ready guys? Picture po. Mother.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Picture muna. Christmas.
Basa.
Picture muna tayo. Guys, picture muna tayo. Guys,